Hi, I'm Bev Debono, coming to you from Madison, New Jersey. I've been a Creative Memories Advisor for about 23 years. I am so excited to share with you the October product launch, which is Christmas Spirit. Look at the beautiful plaids and stripes and textures. And don't forget the laser mats. And such playful embellishments like our little elf feet. And I love Rudolph's nose. Isn't that cute with the letter to Santa? But yet we also have our traditionals. And it's just beautiful. You will not be disappointed. Uh-oh, there's a new punch, a reindeer. I had so much fun playing in Santa's workshop. I hope that you'll enjoy learning about the products. The Christmas Spirit Designer Paper Pack is 12 sheets of double-sided printed designer paper. On the first side is a much bolder pattern, such as our traditional plaids, a letter to Santa, borders and tags, countdown to Christmas, beautiful evergreen, and a traditional stripe. But what's lovely about this is that when you flip it over to the other side, you have a much more tonal group of colors that coordinate very well with the bolder patterns on the other side. And Creative Memories has wonderful cardstock in our current collection that blends very well with this as well. The dark green, crimson, scarlet, and bronze shimmer. These also go well with our laser paper packs. There are 3 of the double-sided laser papers. Each one is a different print on the front and the back. And these make very quick album pages. I just love the little elves and the peppermints and the sugar canes. And the other thing that I love about these is that the shapes go very well with our custom cutting system. So you don't have to guess how big to cut your photos. And this makes a very quick album page or gifts. You can frame these as gifts for grandparents, godparents. This is wonderful for baby's first Christmas. And if you like your album pages to match, you might want to get 2 of these. The embellishment pack and the die cut packs are coming next. Our die cuts with the elf feet are so cute, and these are different colors on both sides. You've got Santa and Ho 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 and Santa's reindeer. And again, if you want to have your album pages match, then you might want to consider getting 2 sets of these. These are a very nice quality. These are laser cuts, and they hold up really well to using with foam squares. And I like to layer these with the stickers and also the embellishments. The embellishment pack is just as pretty, and again, all our traditional colors this year, and a lot of titles, and even Mrs. Claus and reindeer, and lots of baking and baking titles. Cookies for Santa, elves, Santa coming to town, his workshop, and there is bling and pearls in the pack that coordinate as well. For the stickers, we have 3 sheets of traditional stickers. The first is our border sheet of the Santa train and the bows. And then our second sheet is titles, and I can actually see myself using all the titles in there. And the third sheet has Santas and little elves and cookies. The mat pack that goes along with this collection is actually, I like to think of as a supplement to the paper pack, because these are polka dots and colors that are not in the designer paper packs. So you can use them to frame your pictures, to mat your pictures, or you can use them as titles or journal boxes. And I also like the other titles on some of the smaller ones: Unwrap the Magic of Christmas, Home for the Holidays, Jingle All the Way. And sometimes what I like to do is use my cutting system and cut the titles out and use them as actual titles on my album pages. And this year we have a present for you. Under the Tree Tag Kit. You can make these beautiful tags and use them for gifts or for your album pages. Comes complete with the peppermint twine and all the gems and titles that you see here, along with the instruction sheets. And the backs of them have to and from. 24 small and large tags all together. And I just love a cup of cheer and joy. And here's a quick little tip that I like to do. If I am using the Unwrap the Magic as a title for my page, then you can also use these tags as a nice title for your page as well. And this way you're getting 2 for 1. These are great, and I think everyone will enjoy making them. And along with our new products, we have a lot of new tools. The Border Maker cartridge is Christmas stocking, and I love layering it with a lot of the 3 layers using the striped paper from our decorative pack. The reindeer punch, which makes a very cute Santa's reindeer, and I have layered him here. And also the Santa sleigh. So this is Little Santa's Workshop. This is layering some of the embellishments and the stickers and the die cuts. And this is our train track and one of our stickers from the Christmas pack as well. I wanted to show you the fine tip of the new pens that are coming out. We have 4 pens. Chocolate brown and orange, which will round out our autumn collection, and rose and hunter green. And I like the fine tip, and there's, you can see where the clear is on where the dot tip is. I like to use the fine tip to make lines to show movement and to outline. And I also like to use the bold dot tip to do bigger outlines and to show movement around pages. So there is a closer look of the dots made with the dot pen around all of the circles, half circles. No launch is complete without a new album. So let me show that to you. It is the Christmas Spirit album, and there is a Fast to Fab version. It is beautiful as well, inside as well as out. Our traditional hunter green with a Victorian Christmas village. These albums make wonderful gifts for a couple's first wedding together, or their wedding, their first Christmas together, baby's first Christmas. And you can see the pages are already pre-decorated. And so all you have to do is decide what pictures or embellishments you want to put on them. Very neutral pages, so you can add any embellishment or pictures. I like to use these for my Christmas cards, and I'll show you how you can quickly just do a quick couple of pictures, and you can have your page done. These are Christmas letters, and also I like to record the traditions. This was my son's. My favorite tradition is to decorate the Christmas tree. What are your traditions this year? This year especially, we are coming up with new traditions. And I want to show you that you can add some of the embellishments if you like to have a more decorative page. You can add some of the embellishments from our mats and our packs and our lasers and our borders and make some quick adjustments, and your page will come to life. On another page like this are your traditions baking cookies for Santa, because you can document all of those. These I made using mats and stickers and some of the embellishments. How about the letters to Santa? Why not put those in your album for the year? Is decorating your tree, or we could actually add some of these borders to this page. This just makes your Fast to Fab. If you like a little bit more of a decorative page, then you can definitely add little extras. And what is your tradition the night before Christmas? And again, I did that with layering some mats and embellishments. So Creative Memories has made it very easy for us to give this as a beautiful gift, because there is a gift box, and in the gift box you will get the album, the pre-designed Fast to Fab pages, the album, the page protectors, tape runner, pen, and an embellishment kit, all wrapped in this beautiful box that you can give as a gift. And wouldn't that be a wonderful gift for someone who's just starting out their first Christmas? And this is in a beautiful box. And last but not least, we have a new card kit called Simple Sentiments. 12 cards in the soft grays and pale pinks and browns that are very soothing this time of year, and actually could be used for masculine or feminine. Now, wasn't that exciting? Isn't everything great? I told you would love it. From my house to yours, Merry Christmas, and I hope you enjoy the October launch. Bye-bye.